Hi guys, welcome to the San Francisco Genteel Plumbers channel. Do you guys need new plumbing fixtures? Well, call Genteel today. You can see our expert plumber, Edgar, installing new lavatory faucets and a new shower valve. It was a very tough job. Lots of pieces, lots of parts, custom installation. You can see how dirty they got installing it. Keep watching. You'll get to see what the finished product looks like. Absolutely beautiful. Feel free to call Genteel Plumbers 833-436-8335 anytime. And we'll go over here. We can check out the second shower valve that we installed. Give it a second. And voila, finished product. Call 833-436-8335. Thanks.